Hello everyone, it's Tufik from Tech Security USA, located in Lynnwood, Washington. We are proud to help you guys level up in your self-defense security by partnering with Sabre to bring you guys the next level in physical security products. Let's go over them.
On the far left, we have the door handle alarm, which will instantly alert you of any unexpected entry. To its right is the stun gun with flashlight, which delivers powerful defense with added visibility. Stay prepared with Safe Escape 3-in-1 pepper gel, complete with seatbelt cutter and a window brick. The 2-in-1 pepper spray and personal alarm offers double protection, all-in-one compact design. If you are out on the trail, the Sabre bear horn wards off wildlife with a powerful blast, and the doorstop alarm adds portable security to any room, around the house, or around any building.
Interested in buying or finding out more about Sabre products? Visit our store at 19920 Highway 99, Lynnwood, Washington, or give us a call at 206-787-0224. And for more information, visit our website at techsecurityusa.com.